Hey guys, hey YouTube, hello.
I know he did. It's Cody K. Kellis. No need to talk shit cause your boyfriend jealous. She say that I'm selfish. Ain't no need.
Dude, I look so freaking pale.
You're haunting this house with your whiteness.
What is going on? I just washed my face, but what the heck? We are getting ready to go to the beach with some friends today, and then I have to do homework today too, so it's like kind of like a short vlog day, but like relaxing vibes, you know. Yeah, so we're doing skincare. Let's do some skincare. I swear, whenever I can never talk, like ever. I believe in you. I feel like I have not been on here in a while too. It's been like 2-3 weeks. My bad, literally my bad. But I've had midterms like
Bad to bad.
and then yeah, I've had midterms back to back. But let me finish my skincare and I will be right back. None of them ain't get that way. I love my fashion. Dude, I got that princess song in my head now. Barbie, where she has a sister, but they don't even know that they're sisters yet. And Chipotle is my life. I'm about to watch Finding Nemo for like 10 minutes. Fishy. Okay, I just finished eating. Now I'm just gonna I just choked on the hot salsa. Now I'm just gonna do like a little bit right here. Like, sorry, straighten it. Just because it was foggy yesterday and humidity in my hair does not glow. So just like very much the top right here. Then that's it. And then we're gonna head out to go get I think I want a blended lemonade and then to the beach. So let's go. I forgot how good Nemo is. Like, Finding Nemo is so good. Like, actually, they don't make movies like this anymore. Like, that's so sad. All they do is make remakes and sequels. Like Kung Fu Panda 4, I want to see it, but like it's been years since the first one ever even came out. So I wonder how many years it's been actually, because I feel like that came out like when I was like in middle school or something. Let me see. Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu. The first one came out in 2008. Whoa. The second one came out in 2011. Oh, the third one came out 2016? This feels way long ago. Okay. So it's like, it's been 8 years though. That's kind of a long time. But I do want to see this one. Oh, you know what? Another golden movie is Megamind. Megamind and Shark Tales and Madagascar. Those are all like, those are such golden movies. Also, if you're like a hair enthusiast or whatever, please do not watch me do my hair. All you're gonna do is critique me and I don't got time for it. I'm just going over the roots. Can y'all see like my hair started like reverting back because of the fog. I was supposed to get my hair done on Saturday, but then the hair that I ordered didn't even end up coming in. So now I'm not getting my hair done until March 5th, which is like not this week, but the week after on a Tuesday, which is also very like in the middle of the week, but I don't have any classes. I only have work like pretty early, so, and I'm getting it done at 4:30, but I have to wait. So I actually like need to press my hair the right way for it to last a week, because I pressed it I did like such a soft press on it because I thought I was generally getting my hair done, but that didn't happen. So yeah, I didn't know. Should I section this off? I think I'm gonna wear this. There. It does feel good out here. Guys, it's so pretty. It's a nice day. To my friend, I'm waiting for her to come outside. We made it to Asia's place. She's kind of sick. Yeah. Oh wait, she's not sick. She's just a little bit under the weather. Is that the same thing as sick? And now she wants to grab me by the head and tell her. Favorite place. Blended lemonade. I'm back retrieving the speaker, and Asia's gonna make pink noodles. H2O.
I need food.
We were laughing right here because somebody left their food, but like it did not look appetizing.
2, 3.
Yeah.
Revoked.
Huh?
She reminded me of the backyard again right now. There's so much dang seaweed. Oh wait, where's he at? Oh wait.
Stay away.
I think it's coming back.
Stop.
The ones that eat people get their feet. They're forming like a little. I don't know, but they're big. I know that, and they can stay that way. Oh, lizard. Oh, that's it. I'm being lazy and I'm doing homework in my bed. I'm so tired and I don't want to do any homework, but I have math, my public health class, and my black studies class, and then I'm done. But everything else is short except for the math. Well, I guess I only have 3 problems on the math, but it takes a little bit. See y'all.
I got the Krabby Patty formula, man. With me.